Hello everyone, welcome back to our Ask Me Anything session in SAP HCM. So in the last week, I got a question around while creating a personal sub area, personal areas. Basically, people have one of the student has raised a query. There is something called county code. Okay, so you do not. It is not a spelling mistake. It is specially we do have something called county code, but we do not have that in India, but it is more relevant for US, UK, and other geographies. So if you start searching, definitely you will be getting something like this, no values for the selection. So this is not a configuration issue. So basically, for country key, India did not have such kind of concept. Okay. So what is a county? What is the difference between country key and county code? That you can so understand when you technique, it is not a technical thing, but if you see around it, so especially if I put F1 help, so we're getting an example here. County code, what does it mean? So basically, it does classify the cities from a tax point of view, especially in US for handling any kind of a county tax. In Denmark, they have municipality. Suppose if you think about Indian states also, right? In India also, we do have for every states in their major cities, municipalities, they do have they collect the taxes. Okay, but that is something different which do not capture directly in SAP. So here we do have those are different taxes, but here from a personal area, sub-area point of view, for this is directly collected or only the country key and region we have to maintain here. Okay, so if you see here directly, so here for Odisha, I will be putting 1818, that is our region code. And the remaining part, I can always put it whatever I like it. Okay, the postal code, PO box, house number, everything. But this county code, you do not worry, this is not applicable for any of the Indian states, right? Suppose let me try with some other country. How does it different? And for this, meanwhile, I will also tell you that you have to go through for to understand more. So you can search by county code in US. Okay, so you'll be getting a very detailed concept about it. What is a county code in US? Okay, so they're very much specific code for each and every county. So you can see for in this is a part of the US. We have Baldwin, Chambers, a lot of county code. They have a specific code for that. Okay, and their calculation of the taxes is also impacted by this county code. So you can refer this in the wiki. And also, if you want to see the difference, also there are some very good materials you'll be finding in. You can Google it, right? So county code in every in European countries, also in UK, also you'll be finding those stuff. Okay, county code. So they also do have county. This is not a country code. County code. County in UK. Right. So these are the different county we can see, like counties of England, right? Essex, East Sussex, Devon, Lancashire. These are the different counties which are part of London, your Greater London, and all. So you can do some your geographic quest out of this. Okay, so it is something general knowledge for you, which you have not studied in your geography. But you can make a question like this: what is the difference between country, county, nation, and country? So all these things you can explore all these things. It's interesting to know, and you can put them in the comment section in this video. What you understand by that. But for the time being, so this is not an error as we expect. This is an expected behavior that we will not be getting these values for India. Okay, so county code, this is do not read as a country code. Country key already we are having, that is for India. Okay, so you do not have to worry about it. Okay, so now let's see some other examples here. Let's say, let's try something related to New York. Let me try it. Okay, I think somebody just let me check it out next. Yeah, New York. So we have country key. Let me try country code in there or not. Definitely, as I was saying, right, you will be getting the county code. Uh, some other geographies like US and all. So you can see for in New York personal area, I can see these values are populated here. Okay, so there are some code and your county code is also there. Okay, county in AK, county in AL, CO, CA, AZ. So these are the different segments. So in the US, it is not very much applicable. So for that reason, this list will be populated whenever you are taking any personal areas from specific geographies. So for US, it is very much applicable. So for that reason, you can see this. Okay. So this is the difference. Again, suppose let's say I will check it out with some other European countries. Let's see, try that. If it is available or not. Denmark, as I was saying, it must be there. So this is something for Denmark. Any of the personal areas under Denmark, we do have country key and region is already there. So let's see, country code is, I think something might be a configuration thing, but depends upon your geography. It may not be applicable for all the countries globally, but wherever it is applicable, this will be appearing here. Okay, so let's see that this as well, country code. So mostly in the US, I have seen this example, US, UK and all, right? So you don't have to worry much. So this is something which I thought of sharing today. And so thanks for asking those questions. Very small question, but it is very much relevant. Thank you very much for joining.